Welcome to the Healing Through Transparency course. I'm so excited to get started with you. The reason why you're having such a hard time finding safe people is because you're not safe. I'm gonna say it again. The reason why you're having a hard time identifying safe people is because you're not safe. If you are safe, then why are you here? Why are you curious? Right? Safe people are usually surrounded by safe people. Safe people also understand that people are going to be difficult, but they're going to know how to navigate through them. This course is definitely going to help you be able to do that. I'm going to show you the what and the whys, and then we'll later on get into the how to become a safer person. But you got to first find out like what around me is not safe. Why are these people not safe? And now you understand the focus of how to navigate through that, right? Yeah, I'm excited, man. I'm excited to get started. I know I'm just beating on your head right now. You're just probably like, bro, I don't even know you. Why are you talking to me like that? I just had to get it out, right? Because that's the truth. It's ultimately the truth that we don't tend to admit to ourselves. The reason why people don't feel comfortable around us, the reason why we're struggling to deal with difficult people is because we don't know how to navigate them. And the only way to navigate difficult people is by understanding how to be a safer person, not just for yourself, but for others as well. So I'll see you in the course. Let's get started.